Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to go over integrating your website with Go CRM. Now, Go CRM offers two types of integrations. One is form tracking, and the second one is dynamic number insertion. Form tracking is pretty straightforward. It basically allows you to capture all the form submissions from your website and turn them into leads. The second one is dynamic number insertion, which it allows you to track all the phone calls coming into your website and also turn them into lead, with the added benefit of having the call recording and also the source data of how they found your website. So first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and go to the settings section on your CRM. Then we're going to click on integrations. Now here you have this snippet, which is basically a piece of code, and you're going to want to get with your web developer in order to install this code. You want to have it on the header of your website. Now if you use something like Google Tag Manager, it's fairly simple. You just click on add new tag. Then you enter the name, so you can put something like Go CRM tag. In tag configuration, you're going to want to put custom HTML. You're going to want to drop the piece of code there, and then you're going to trigger it in all pages and click save. From there, you just want to go ahead and publish your tag. Once installed, you're going to want to go back here and enabled whether you want to track phones or phone calls or both. Now, if you are going to be tracking phone calls, you need to check what phone number you're currently using in your website that you want to track. So the one you want to track, you want to go ahead and enter it there. Now, so that number you enter there is the one that's going to be swapped. Now, the new number that's going to be there added dynamically, you want to put where those calls are going to get redirected to. 90% of the time, you're going to want them to go to the same phone number you already had. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on request activation. Now our team will get your request. We'll enable it within an hour or two. And then you'll get a verification email that it has been completed. As we switch pages, you'll see how the phone number dynamically switches in order for it to record and capture all the incoming phone calls and session data. Now let's go ahead and do a sample phone call. So I'm going to go ahead and call this number. And then let's also go to the contact form submission. So let's go to contact and let's make a sample submission so you can see how this lead data will go into Go CRM. Okay, now that we've submitted our form and I made my phone call, let's go to the person's profile. So you can see Oriole was added automatically. You can see that there's session data of my landing page and that I came to the website directly. There is no call recording because I didn't answer the phone call. So it just shows there as kind of like a missed phone call. And then you can see after that, the email was added when I created a form submission. So you'll see there that a phone call happened and then a form submission happened. So those are two distinct events and they all automatically got merged into one contact. Okay. So this is a way how you'll be able to track all your leads coming in, and you'll be able to see, whether they originated from Facebook, from Google, they went directly to your website, whether they called, what they said on the phone call, or what they submitted through a form capture. So there you have it. It's a pretty simple steps. You just put in the tag on your website, request the activation, and you're automatically tracking everything that's happening. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.